If you're looking for a no-fuss comfort food dinner that everyone loves, this Ritz Cracker Chicken is the answer. Crispy, buttery, and so easy. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees and spray a baking dish with nonstick cooking spray. Grab 4 boneless chicken breasts and set them aside while you're preparing the coating. In a shallow bowl, whisk 2 eggs until smooth. In a separate bowl, add 2 sleeves of Ritz crackers that have been blended into fine crumbs. Stir in half a teaspoon of garlic salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. Simple seasonings, but trust me, big flavor. Now it's time to assemble. Dip each piece of chicken into the eggs and then generously coat it in the cracker mixture and put the chicken on the prepared baking dish. Top it evenly with butter cut into small pieces and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown and the chicken is cooked through. Let it rest for about 5 minutes and then serve it up and enjoy. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and totally irresistible. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes.